Let's create some videos out of thin air. Hey friends, I'm Tasia Custode, and on this YouTube channel, I share a ton of tech tips and Google content just like this. And this is how to create AI-generated videos with Gemini. Because yes, it's gotten even better with the latest update. Veo 3.1 is Google's latest AI video generation model that builds on Veo 3 with richer audio and enhanced realism. And Veo 3.1 should give us better audio-visual quality when turning images into videos. I'll touch on what Gemini accounts have access in a minute, but from Gemini, you might have a new banner at the bottom prompting you to try Veo 3.1. No worries if you don't. From that prompt box, you can simply click on Video to generate a video with Veo 3.1. Here, simply describe the video you'd like to see. Now, when you click on that prompt box, you should also see a list of suggestions to help get your ideas flowing. And keep in mind, typically the more detailed you're going to be with the prompt, the better video output you'll get. And you can add as many stylistic details as you want. So maybe we want to create a photorealistic video of a koala climbing a tree. The camera pans up the tree, following the koala to the branch. Now, as soon as you type your prompt, you're going to get a pop-up here with some more info, like how this is going to create an 8-second video with sound, and reminds you to include details like visual style and background music. So with that, let's actually add to our prompt and ask for ethereal background music. Okay, I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to let Gemini do its thing. Now, what's nice here is you don't have to stay on the screen, so you can leave it and come back to it. And for this specific example, it took about 1 minute for Gemini to generate this video with sound. So let's see and hear how it did. I'm shook. I'm sorry, let me get my mouth up off of the floor because it takes a lot to make me speechless, but I dare you to find fault with this video that happened in literally under a minute. I just dare you. I came back from Australia and this could very well have been a video that I took while I was on my trip. I didn't take it, but I very well could have. That's how good this is. Like, it looks like a professional cinematic video. I'm in video production. Like, that's what I do for a living. Am I out of a job? Anyway, you can download your video. You're just gonna hover over it and click on download. I am still shook, truly. But you can also use Gemini Veo 3.1 to create a video from a photo. Once again, from the prompt bar with video toggled on, simply drop in a photo, or you can click the plus symbol to upload a photo or multiple photos. Then, just as we did before, we're going to describe what we want. So for this, let's see if Gemini can have a cockatoo fly in and steal the cookie before flying away. Shot like a handheld video. I'm going to leave it simple without audio notes because I want to see if it can add in some realistic audio on its own. So as a reminder, this is the image that we started with, and here is the video that Gemini 3.1 created with a simple prompt. Okay, this is actually crazy what's happening here. The sound of the ocean, the sound of the bird squawking and wings flapping, the generative details of the ocean and the umbrella and all the other details, including the writing on the cookie. Amen to nailing that. Holy guacamole. I guess I'm not needed anymore, so I'm done. You want something? Just ask Gemini. Seriously, Gemini is like our genie. Our wish is Gemini's command. By the way, if you want to compare this quality that we're seeing and hearing right now to Veo 2 or Veo 3, I have videos on that, so you can watch them by clicking up here or via the links in the description below. I'm telling you, this is a massive leap forward. This shouldn't be Veo 3.1 because that makes it seem like it's a tiny little minuscule update. It should be like Veo 4700,000. Anyway, I digress. I also uploaded this pano and asked Gemini to turn this into a tripod shot, adding subtle movement to the leaves and natural motion of the tide. We can hear the sound of the ocean and birds in the background. There is tropical island vibe music playing in the background. Okay, so here's what it generated for me. All right, so it's almost like this incredible drone shot, but come on. It literally looks like I shot a video there rather than just snapping a still photo from that exact perspective. It's like I'm back on Hamilton Island. I could cry and say, take me back, but it looks like Gemini just did. Wowza. But remember, the more detailed you are with your prompt, the more control you have over your video. So you're gonna wanna keep things like subject, action, composition, scene, camera motion, ambiance, style, and of course, audio in mind when you're prompting Veo 3.1. But I'm very impressed with how good of a job it's doing, even when you give it very little detail. So at the risk of taking up way too much time and energy and resources on this, let's try one more example, but with a few more details. Let's ask Gemini to create a nighttime aerial time-lapse shot of traffic on a highway. Cut to a medium shot of the cars passing at road level. We hear ambient audio of traffic with cinematic background music. This is truly wild. I could sit here all day and do this, but I can't. And actually neither can you, because I do believe that on the web, people that have the pro account get 3 video generations a day, and people with Ultra get 5 video generations per day. And yes, this is also available in the Gemini mobile app as well. Veo 3.1 should be available in, I think, about 150 countries, though, for now, the ability to generate a video from a photo actually isn't available in the European Economic Area, Switzerland, or the UK. And all videos generated with Veo 3.1 have that visible and digital watermark. The ones that don't have the visible watermark, I believe, are generated by Ultra users in Google Flow, which is Google's AI tool for filmmakers. And you will notice that as of right now, if you're uploading a photo like you saw me doing, it will create a video kind of in that perspective. So if it's a vertical photo as opposed to pano or horizontal, it creates a video in that same perspective. So that's how to create AI generated videos with Gemini. What are you creating? Let me and everyone else know in the comments below. And now I want to hear from you. What do you think of Veo 3.1? Have you tried it? Do you like it? What are you creating? Let everyone know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, well, I want to know. So give it a like, a share, or you can leave that comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel, and here for even more content just like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.